A major bridge on China's National Highway 317 in Mirkang City called the Hongqi Bridge collapsed on the 11th of November of 2025. The Highway 317 connects China to Tibet, which is a pretty rugged mountainous area in China. And the bridge was literally just completed a few months ago in 2025. According to a lot of different sources, apparently what caused this to happen was a major landslide on an adjacent mountainside, which affected the right bank approach ramp, roadbed, piers, and decks, while the main span and left side remained intact. Now, pretty miraculously, there were no casualties or deaths due to this thing being closed proactively and also an evacuation that happened earlier. And the reason for that was probably because they did a routine inspection on November 10th of 2025 when authorities detected an initial slope deformation and cracks along the right bank of the bridge area, including concrete supports and nearby roads. So by the evening, Mirkang police immediately closed the bridge to all traffic, and then emergency teams from public security, transportation, and natural resources departments arrived on site. All stranded vehicles, which were about a dozen of them, were evacuated by 11 p.m. and then they put up a bunch of warning signs all over the place and restricted access to the bridge. By Tuesday, November 11th in the afternoon, the slope deformation intensified into a full-on landslide, causing the partial collapse of the bridge. Preliminary investigations that the Chinese have been doing on this thing are pointing to geological instability rather than direct construction flaws for the bridge. For example, they think that accumulation of water from the nearby hydropower station reservoir likely saturated the soil, causing the mountainside to shift and crack, eventually leading to a landslide. And this region is already prone to landslides due to its steep terrain, seismic activity, and heavy rainfall.